Hi everyone! Today it's all about mastering one of the most transformative techniques in makeup, airbrushing. We are going to focus on creating that absolutely flawless and long-lasting look that every bride dreams of for the special day. Demystifying airbrush makeup itself. Instead of traditional brushes or sponges, we use this incredible tool, an airbrush gun connected to a compressor. This allows us to apply makeup in a superfine mist directly onto the skin. The result? A finish that minimizes the appearance of imperfections, all while feeling incredibly lightweight. First thing first, a flawless makeup starts with beautiful prepped skin. I'm using the Dermacolor Moisturizer Cream. This cream is incredibly gentle and packed with nourishing herbal ingredients. For a touch of radiance, I'm going to use a Shimmering Even foundation. This is a very light and gentle fluid with these beautiful shimmering pearlescent pigments. I apply this sparingly with a brush, focusing on the cheekbones, brow bones, eyelids, upper lips and the bridge of the nose. Remember, less is more. Now for our airbrush foundation. I'm using Nebula Complexion Airbrush Makeup. Nebula is truly the ideal airbrush makeup for professionals in beauty, fashion or bridal. The natural perfection and precise spray features are thanks to micronized pigments. These are fantastic silicone-based colors in a universal skin tones. This formula gives a long-lasting, durable result and dries very quickly, which is a huge plus for bridal makeup. Plus, it's perfume-free for better skin tolerance. A quick reminder: always shake well before use. Do not inhale and only use it in well-ventilated rooms. My approach uses directional strokes almost like a brush, instead of circular motions, as I find it gives more control and precision. For every application, always start with only air next to the face. Then, once you're at the right spot, you can start spraying the color. I spray in one direction, then come back over the area with just air. This creates a beautiful diffused application. Think about the angles you need to reach every part of the face, ensuring even coverage. Every time you stop spraying, you move the airbrush away from the face, with air still flowing. This prevents any harsh spots of products. When you restart, begin with air next to the face, again before engaging the color. Because the makeup is applied through the air, it minimizes the transfer of bacteria. This is so important for maintaining healthy skin on such a significant day. A fantastic benefit is that you don't typically need to clean the gun in between every single color change. I only clean my airbrush gun when I'm switching from a very dark color to a much lighter. For contour, I like to use a darker cool-toned Nebula shade. Shadows naturally fall under the bones, so my angles start from below, defining the cheekbones and jawline. For brides with dry skin, airbrushing is a dream come true. Unlike traditional makeup application that can sometimes emphasize dry patches or flakiness, this no-touch application minimizes the risk of redness or flare-ups. To warm up that contour and add more dimension, I will now take a warmer darker skin tone from the Nebula Contour or the Complexion range. The subtle warmth really enhances the sculpted effect. This fine mist application allows for incredible fast blending. As the makeup lands on the skin, it almost immediately diffuses and blends seamlessly. This saves valuable time, which is crucial when you're getting a whole bridal party ready. For the blush, I choose a blusher color from the Nebula Contour or the Vivid range. Using the same directional technique, I apply a beautiful flush to the apples of the cheeks, blending softly upwards to the temples. I also like to add a touch on the eyelid for a harmonious look. Now let's emphasize the eyes. To ensure a perfect application without any smudging, I'm using the Silcopette. The great thing about the Silcopette is that you can place it exactly where you want, giving you free hands to work. I'm going to use it to create a defined eyeshadow shape. I start spraying it directly onto the pad and then blend the color onto the skin. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I simply peel the Silcopette away. It's such an easy way to create sharp lines like cat eyes or even a beautiful blended eyeliner. Now for perfectly shaped brows, I'm using the Perfect Brow Stencils. This set of 8 different shapes makes it so easy to achieve balanced, symmetrical eyebrows. Again, I start by spraying directly onto the stencil for controlled application. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I remove the stencil. The result is a perfectly defined brow. For the under eye, it's a bit tricky to use the airbrush with the eyes open, so you will switch to a traditional technique using the eyeshadow variety palette. I'm adding a touch of setting powder to the lids, and this catches the light beautifully. It adds that extra sparkle, perfect for a special event. For defined eyes, I'm using the HD Cream Liner. This liner is incredibly color intensive, easy to control, and doesn't smudge. To make the lashes pop, I'm using mascara. This mascara has a triple black formula that coats each lash, creating beautiful curl and volume. If at any point you need to make a correction or perhaps soften any fine lines, Make Blend is your secret weapon. This product is fantastic because it supports the application properties of cream foundation, improves their lasting effect and creates a velvety matte finish. But it's also perfect for blending or any mistake you might have made with your airbrushing, making a truly versatile tool. For concealer, especially with our airbrushed base, the digital complexion concealer is the best choice because it's self-setting. I choose to apply it now because I also use it as a highlighter, but you can certainly use it before starting with Nebula Complexion if that fits your workflow. It's not necessary, but if you want to intensify the contour or blusher, you can do that with our blusher palettes. Now let's give the look some extra glow with High Glow. To give an elegant touch of color to the lips, I choose Lipstick Cheer. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at creating a stunning bridal makeup, using the precision of airbrushing, completed by traditional techniques. Remember, practice is key to mastering this technique. Happy airbrushing and best of luck creating beautiful bridal looks. See you next time!